Alright, we're back on the Lincoln again. Navigator. I'll show you something that's wrong here in the door. So inner door handle. So what's happened is it's got a broken piece on it right here. And this is it. So it goes back in there, and then somebody had this glued. It goes upside down like that, and as you push the, I'll do this one-handed, but as you push that in there, it would snap it back into place. So unfortunately, that means that to replace this unit, you've got to replace this whole inner piece. So I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to use a couple of screws and this little drill, and I'm going to see if I can't make the thing more permanent. Now that I know where this is going to go, I might just put a hole through it. Lay that down on there. And you gotta make sure you push that back. These are just, I don't know, they're just screws out of something. I take a lot of machines apart and stuff just to get the screws sometimes. I don't know if that screw's going to interfere with anything, but I'm going to get it down in there a little further and see what it does. Looks like it's going to... I could leave it like that, but see, it's going to start binding. Actually, it's not binding. Maybe I should just leave it alone. And you know what? I'm gonna leave it alone. It's not touching. I mean, it's got a thousandth of an inch or so. But that's about it. If it works, I think I'll leave it. I may put a dab of glue in there just to kind of make sure that it doesn't pop up or crack or something. But I'm going to call it good. I'm going to say that's a thumbs up for a redneck fix. See you next time.